Hi, good afternoon, guys. Yes, after 12 midday. I hope you're okay. You're doing really, really well. I wanted to do this video to bring awareness of the true reason, and this is very interesting of why the female has always been a second place, and second place basically. Inferior, very inferior, yeah, and. I mean, I'm proud for both guys, male and female. I love men and I love women. You know, we are one and the same, but here we are separate. Yeah, we see each other as separate. The male is there, and the female is here. Yeah, and that you need both of them to be complete. You don't. It's both male and female. Yeah. If we go back to the beginning, yeah, from the beginning, from the major condition in which, if we go back, the Bible, Adam and Eve, Eve is the evil one. She's the one who ate the apple. And Adam was a nice one and he just followed her. So from the beginning, she committed the greatest sin and because of her, kicked out of paradise for eating the apple or whatever fruit there was. Yeah. So after that, every single religion, the woman, the man is the head, and the woman that as she's told, basically. She's inferior. I mean, if we go to the Mormon church, even now, in this decade, guys, the woman cannot teach, the men can teach the woman, but women cannot teach men, they can only teach other women. One woman complained about that and she got fired. She got sacked from the congregation for mourning about women teaching men, No, that cannot be. The same with, Jehovah's Witnesses, the man is the head, is the authority. If we read the Quran, if the woman misbehaves, she can, be slightly beaten by the man, They need to cover themselves. Rules upon women, yeah? The moment women begin to see their healing properties or their healing abilities, yeah, their psychic powers, the moment Spanish Inquisition killed them, they're a witch, they didn't want the woman to know who she is and the power. And the thing is that the female energy, yeah, is the created force. Bear this in mind, okay? So this is how it works, The male is the seed of love, and the female is out of that love, creates whatever they both want as one, yeah? So one is the seed, and the other one is the created force that manifests that we desire out of love, yeah? All with loving energy, that's creation, yeah? So, as we all one, take either any female, just take any female, whoever it is, from the matrix, yeah? And you put the seed of evil within, and she'll create a matrix. Okay? So, the seed of evil can be implanted on the female. Because the reptilians, they cannot put a seed of evil into a reptilian female that she cannot create. Yeah? Because they're not real. They're like robots, yeah? Sentient programs, so they're not. Yeah, the reality, they cannot create. So in order to create a matrix, you need the female consciousness, yeah, which in my book I call Mother Goddess, yeah, as the hive, yeah, which is either anybody could have been taken because we are all one, we are connected, so the matrix is going to be going to those ones that they were disconnected, yeah. So this is the reason why they didn't want us to find out our created force and our abilities, to heal, and our power to make things better. Yeah, we had to be inferior. We couldn't acknowledge the knowledge. They didn't want us to know that we are creating a reality and that we can change it. Yeah, and that the seed of evil needs to be taken out of our body. It needs to be dismantled because that's not our true seed. It needs to be replaced by the seed of love, which is loving yourself. Fin lo kill, trust the source, which is you. Trust the script that you've chosen to get you there. All right, so quite a short one, but also wanted to emphasize that another reason why the female was so oppressed, this is the book of how to make a human into a slave. That means not white or black. Yeah, he said that the most targeted, if a man and a woman want to awaken, the female is always going to be more targeted, and the reason why is because the female is the creative, is basically the one who gives birth, the one that can be conditioned to condition the children. So let's see, if I'm Muslim, so I'm going to condition my children to be Muslims and to follow the Muslim rules. Yeah, so basically the woman is used as a conditioning machinery to condition the family, because she is the one that is going to raise the children, most likely the children up. So that is basically why the they try to stop that. They don't want to us to find out that through the female is where basically is everything generated in the reality, and the female force, they wanted that to be kept a secret. So I thought that was important to bring awareness, guys. And I would encourage you, I mean, the book is free, it's David Lynch, The Making of a Slave. You can download it, it's very short to read it, because it gives you very good clues of how they actually, they condition us, subliminally. It's very good to read. We need to understand how the matrix tricks us. If we understand those things, the more wiser we become, and those things haven't got effect on us, those subliminal messages. Anyway, with all the love in my heart, guys, always here as your sister, Amor as your brother. I hope that you make the right choice, guys. Choose to awaken and do whatever is necessary to get there. Till next video. Goodbye.